everyone, welcome to RTN. This is Mike, and today we're going to talk a little bit about the MPX and the MP5. I finally got my 3-lug adapter for my MPX. Here it is. It's pretty cool. You know, it's alright. I love it actually. It went on nice, smooth, and tight. This is really well fit. Now, I got this because my AAC Ti-Rant can I fixed that with my 3-lug adapter for my MP5. This way I could go between my MP5 and my MPX with no problem. Okay, fucking A. So these are American Eagle. These are the 124s. Grain. They are suppressor though, so it doesn't need to be the 147s or 158s. So we'll go and try these out. See how well this runs. It's the very first shot suppressed out of this baby. So let's go. I believe I can take these puppies off. Pretty cool. Let me shoot past the steel. Very cool. Here, let me shoot past the camera. It's fucking nice. It's nuts, man. You can hear it going right past you. The nice thing I'm noticing, which I'm really happy about, is that there is zero gas blowing back in my face. I'm not getting anything thrown back here, and I expected that I was gonna get something. So that to me is really freaking cool. It's very smooth. Let's go running some more there. That's better. Fucking nice. Woo! RTN, baby. So I gotta wait for the suppressor to cool down a little bit because those things get really freaking hot if you don't know. And I'm gonna run the old-fashioned MP5 a little bit. These aren't suppressed. Got my hearing protection back on. So let's go run these through the I love this. It's such a smooth action. I'll go and push this out a little bit further. Now I am 25, actually just about 30 yards right here away from the target. My poor truck's getting a lot of brass on it. Cool beans. Alright, cool. So I'm going to run, I think, about 15 rounds of this PPU. It's 158, so it should be super, super quiet. And I'm going to run it first out of the MPX and then out of the MP5 just to see if there's any difference. I really don't expect to notice much. I know that I've run the MP5 suppressed many times and I love it. It's a great little gun. It takes it really well. And again, like I said, I was really worried that the huge open area and the dirt, when I looked inside when I'm cleaning this, I could see a lot of, you know, bits and pieces of carbon and crap inside above the barrel where the piston action is. And I was thinking to myself, well, that's probably going to be blowing back once I throw a suppressor on. But honestly, nothing's happening. Of course, you know, I still have my glasses on, but even with a pistol, usually I'll feel something hit my face. This, nothing. So let's go check this out and have some fun. All I'm hearing is loud clicks. Wow. That was cool. Very, very cool. When I missed the target on the last 2 shots, man, it got so quiet, right? So, very neat. Now let me go set up the MP5 and we'll finish this up. All right, so ready to rock and roll with the MP5. Same rounds, same suppressor, and let's go do it. I'm missing. Well, that's just weird. I wonder why that is. I'll put a smaller aperture on there for me. Well, I had to adjust my point of aim considerably. I'm not sure if it was because the suppressor started to heat up, things started to change, or if the MP5 just doesn't like being suppressed for accuracy. I had to move it all the way over to the top left of the shoulder off the target for that last shot to hit. So I'll have to play around with this again, and I'll do it off camera real fast just to see what's going on, but it's a pretty neat or interesting find. Of course, I also don't have a red dot optic, I'm just using the irons, but the irons were working out just fine before, so can't really blame them, or me, this time at least. So let me go check this out and we'll be right back with some more information. Alright, so right out of the run, you know, I put the suppressor back on the MPX. First round, first hit, not a problem. So what I did was, I loaded up the MP5 with 5 rounds of 124 grain suppressors, American Eagles, followed by 5 rounds of the PPU 158s. And we'll see if just this gun just might not like the 158 bullet weight. So let's go check that out. No, it's just not liking anything. Now I'm off to the upper left shoulder. Now, so let me go and change this over to the MPX and see how quick and how well that does. Actually, real quick, I just want to go and run some regular, I think these are 124s, but they're not suppressor style, and I took the suppressor off. I just want to make sure that everything's on target. I was hitting it before, so I don't know why now would be different. So let's go check that out. Yeah, it's the suppressor running on this, so that's really pretty weird. I don't know really what to make of that. But anyway, we're gonna go and I know that I can kind of try to re-index the suppressor, but I've taken it on and off a couple times and the same issue happens where, you know, the bullets just fly off. So, wow, the MPX is actually kind of beating the old standby. So I'm just going to finish off with a few rounds. I'm going to do the 124s through the MPX and then the 158s, just to see, you know, how well and consistent it hits the target from here. Now the can is really heated up pretty well. It's really, you know, it's the end of the day. So just want to check this out real fast. I have all intentions that this is going to work out. You know, wasn't me, it wasn't, you know, not having a red dot. It was just, you know, shooting through the MP5, the bullets just dropped pretty bad. All right. Huh. Seemed like the last couple missed. Let me check the can too, though. Alright. Here we go. These are 158s. No problem there. Anyway, this is Mike from RTN. This is just a real quick overview. Yeah, buddy. This is a quick overview of running a suppressor on the MPX versus the MP5. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Check us out on Instagram. We're there. And thanks a lot and take care. Keep shooting, everybody.